You're locked into the Good To Go show with DJ Jamrock live on Triplevibes Radio. People, I am in the building.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I'm most certainly in the building. Shout out to everybody who was locked in. Shout out to all my fans. Shout out to Blueprint Sound, my team.
Blueprint Sound.
Shout out to the whole Triple Vibes family. Shout out to Salute Fam in the building. As always, H Money M116. You done know all going Tevi. So, as we usually do, we're going to start off with a little sports corner. Have the juice handy. No football. No football. Like, how do you have sports corner without football? I mean, we are football fans here, people. On this show, at least, we football fans, man. Yo, shout out to my Gas Factory crew over there, man. Shout out to them. But we football fans over here. We talk about football. I mean, there's reports that's saying that the Giants may not take a quarterback. Okay. So they don't take a quarterback. If you don't take a quarterback, you gotta take Saquon, man. You gotta take Saquon Barkley, man. You gotta take him. He's a good back. His skill set is specifically the reason why he's been on the team for the last 4 years, and no one's kind of known. He's been a special teams player, but given the touches, he is a straightforward, run-to-play kind of back. He might do a stiff arm. He might elude you 1-2, but if you want a back to go to the hole, he's going to hit that hole. He's going to be patient. He's going to run the play. Saquon Barkley, he does all of that and then some. Eli, can we count on Eli one more time? I don't know. I honestly don't know. But we going to have to if we take a running back. I don't know. What's up in the air? I'm up in the air with this one. I'm happy with whoever we get. However, if we get Sam Arnold or Josh Rosen, we have to get another top 10 offensive talent. And here's why. Because we might not be able to keep Odell. Now, hold on. I don't know for sure, but Odell's asking for his money, and he's asking for it now, not during camp. I mean, not during preseason. He wants it in ink now, but I mean, Odell, you on an injury. You can't really ask for money if you ain't do nothing for this year. You know it's a what have you done for me lately kind of league. It's a what have you done for me lately kind of life, man. Like, but I don't know. We got Shepard. We need another receiver. We need another receiver. So if you don't get Barkley, you get a receiver in your first 4 picks, I would go. If Saquon's on the board, I'm taking Saquon. But let's say they pick a quarterback first. I'm going quarterback, offensive lineman, wide receiver. Do whatever you want with the rest of the picks. Definitely get a corner, unless we can sign a Mukamara. We don't know yet. I don't know if we're going to get him back. We'll definitely pay more for him than what we had him for as a rookie. So that's without going saying. So, I mean, you know how that's going to go. You got to see where the chips fall. Got to see where everybody kind of is at in the beginning of training camp so we can see, all right, no, not beginning of training camp, but right before the draft. Remember, during the draft, they could do some shit, so you never know. As you know, basketball season is coming into the second half. They did the All-Star weekend last week. LeBron's team won. They don't do East versus West Coast anymore. They actually do. They pick 2 team captains. Kind of similar, kind of mimicking the NFL's setup that they have over here. You pick 2 team captains. The captains pick the team. Don't matter if they from the East, South, North, West. Don't matter. And Team LeBron win. I don't know his lineup, but I know it's Team LeBron versus Team Steph. So Team LeBron won. They had a whole ceremony with a bunch of live acts and Kevin Hart hosting, and it was just too much. I mean, before there was like an actual 2-hour special before the game started, man. Hey, I didn't set it up, man. I ain't set it up. That wasn't for me. I mean, I don't know. I ain't watching. Nah, I watched some of it, but then when they started announcing the players, I was like, nah, I'm good. I'm good, because that was a little too much. They didn't even look like they was interested in it. But I know y'all don't want to hear me dibble and dabble all day, so we're just going to get into some tunes. It's going to be a quick mix. I got to be out of here, people. So let's get it. You know how I got to start it off always with the Jamrock, and then I'm going to double up with the Uzi.
I'm on some shit like, now I do what I want. 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 Now I do what I want.
Give me the man. Jamrock. Them for those who see me set up.
Everybody know I'm better. Yeah, I'm better. It don't matter. Pockets fatter. Nowadays I'm on my haters, they got sadder. That's money longer. Different song, bruh. Different producer. I can do anything and I won't lose her. She got right with a winner, left that loser. Talking shit, boy, make me get my Ruger. Yeah, I sell my Ruger. All my niggas, they shooters. Rocking them grills all the way till my tooth hurt. Oh, he cold? Well, I swear that I'm cooler. That ain't no Rolling, bitch, this is a Frank Mueller.
Shout out Frank Mueller.
Boy, I start on the bottom, made my way to
do my Germans, I do them thing on a soccer thing.
Can I stop? Remember,
yo, Bayern.
Turn that shit.
Bayern Munich. My tune.
Put that
my team.
My block. Used to want a full door.
Oh, yeah.
Now I want that drop. Yeah, now I do what I want. Now I do what I want.
It's a good to go show with DJ Jamrock.
Now I do what I want.
You play any tune, you know why?
Now I do what I want. 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 Girl, you see me getting this money. Whoa, please don't front. Hunting Fish Club when I'm eating. Whoa, what's for lunch? And them boys back home be talking, but I won't get touched. Say to myself how I'll survive. No one who I trust. Yeah. No one who I trust. Who them niggas know they not with us. All these girls, yeah, they right with us. I don't pay no mind because I just want the bucks. Yeah, boy, I start on the bottom, made my way to the top. Boy, I'm gon' keep winning. No, I cannot stop. Remember I had a little, turned that shit to a lot. Always been 100, put that on my block. Used to want that 4-door, now I want that drop. Yeah, now I do what I want. Now I do what I want.